finalizing this tool, but very soon you will all have access to it, and it's pretty amazing, I think, what it can do. So let me show you. So what you would do again is you would say I'm bidding for a certain campaign. So you do one campaign at a time. The reason we ask you to do one campaign at a time is because we are going to pull a bunch of additional data here. But now, say that in my product groups I had split it by brand and category 0. But I actually wanted to understand performance across some different attributes. So I wanted to understand performance, say, for category level 0, and that combining it with the color, right? These are, by the way, if you go to the dimensions reports in AdWords, these attributes are not available in that report, but we do have access to them, so we can give you a report based on color. So now what we do is we look at individual product IDs, and we reconstitute the data. We see what would have happened if we had split it using these two factors, these two facets. Now this is a demo account, so we don't actually have numbers for these, but what's interesting is that you can see within this Adidas ad group, the category level 0, it's all apparel and accessories, and then for the different color combinations that they have, it happens that there are 2 product groups or 2 products that are collegiate, navy, and white. And then for all of the others, we have just 1. Okay, but now you can start seeing these data points based on commonalities across the different facets that you want to look at. So you could literally do something where you say, give me a report on color. If you happen to find that red things convert twice as well as blue things, from here, you can actually set the bids now. So you can say, for red things, let me increase my bids by 10%. And we sort of know what the attributes are. So we haven't told you which products this is for. But once you apply these bids, we're going to go look in your product grouping structure, figure out which product groups have certain products that meet these 2 conditions of being apparel and accessories and this color scheme, and we're going to update those bids. Now this only works if you've split your product groups down to the individual product ID. And that obviously, hopefully makes sense, and that's because if you have 2 products in the same product group, you must set the bid for the product group. And so one of these products may be blue, the other may be red. So at that point, we can no longer sort of distinguish between those 2, set different bids. So this tool won't work. So for this tool to work, for you to be able to take advantage of it, you have to have your product groups contain exactly 1 product ID, a single item. So this is a great way to start finding those commonalities between items and help you set bids regardless of how you structure things.